It is October on 2013, and I'm making video of a red line tron, which I believe that's the Overbrook Station. And trons are fucking cool. And it's exciting to make videos of trons. And there's the blue line tron.
History.
New trons in the same video. That is fucking cool. I don't know if that tron is the end of the line or something. Yeah, it was a fucking nightmare getting over here, getting lost and everything. I can probably only stay about another 10 minutes making videos of trons. And this is my last day in the Pittsburgh area. In fact, I'm leaving after, I'm going to that Autism Society. Check them out, and after that I'm going to get going, heading towards Mansfield, Ohio for my feast at Golden Corral, which is going towards Indianapolis and the Chicago area. And trons are fucking cool.